Number 6, right? You've given 3 people, okay, and the ages are sort of related to each other here. Okay, so what I would do here is write a list, okay, and start having a go, right? Just try something. So I'm going to start with Afraz. The reason being is because it says Betty is twice as old as Afraz. So if I've got an age for Afraz, I can then work out what Betty is. So for instance, if Afraz is 1, Betty then would be 2, wouldn't she? Because she's twice as old as Afraz, who double his age. Okay, and then it says Hugh. What's it say about Hugh? Hugh is 3 years younger than Betty. Now we got a situation then that doesn't really make sense, because if Hugh would be 3 years younger than Betty, well, 3 years younger than 2 would be -1. So that clearly is wrong, right? We can't have that situation there. And it says then the sum of the ages of the 3 people is 37. Okay, so it's got to be 37. So let's, obviously Afraz is older than 1, right? Because that's not going to work. So let's just try, let's just jump a little bit here. Let's go for Afraz being 4. Okay, that means then Betty, well remember now Betty is twice as old as Afraz. So Betty would be 8, wouldn't she? She'd be twice that. And then it says Hugh is 3 years younger than Betty. So if Betty is 8, Hugh will be 5. So let's see what these ages add up to. 4 and 8 is 12, add 5 is 17, okay. Now 17 is no good, okay, right, because we need to add up to 37. So let's try Afraz to be 5. If Afraz is 5, Betty then would be 10, wouldn't she? She's double Afraz. Hugh is 3 years younger than Betty, so Hugh would be 10 take away 3 is 7. Add them up, comes to 22. Again, that doesn't work, so we've got to keep going. Afraz say is 6 then. We're getting closer though, aren't we? Getting closer. Afraz is 6. Betty then will be double that, which is 12. Okay. Hugh then will be 3 years younger, which of course will be 9. We take 3 years away from that. Add that up. It comes to 27. Okay. So let's try Afraz to be 7, because we are getting closer. Betty will be 14. Okay. Betty will be double Afraz. Hugh is 3 years younger than Betty, so he'll be 11. Add them up, it comes to 32, almost there. So let's try now Afraz being 8. Let's see if that works. Betty will be 16 then. Betty's double Afraz. Okay. And of course Hugh then will be 3 years younger than Betty. Add them up, and that one does come to 37. Okay. So Afraz is 8. Betty is 16. Hugh is 13.